Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you a few minutes of the inside of the mech. I couldn't get it while I was taking it apart, but I grabbed my iPhone and recorded a lot closer in so you can see what an RT-1157 looks like after you put the capstan in and how to connect it back up. So it's just a few minutes. It's an addendum. Give it a watch. Okay, I'm going to bring you in with my iPhone. It's a little easier to show you. We had to put this in, goes cross down and screws in. Then there's two pieces that go on top. This piece, which gets hooked to a spring and goes back. And then there's a third piece right here that goes down. This is all going to be clipped on, and right now it's loose because I had to grease it. And that spring there, this guy, oh, let me get a pointer here. This guy has to be hooked right here. And then there was a spring had to be done up here. So how you do this is, if you see the two little breaks here in the metal, you have to put that down over these two first and then pull it back so it's in the slot. But under there it was all grease, so I had to take some lithium grease, put that on it, reconnect the spring, and then this piece, sorry, I'll tell you what, I need a videographer. This piece here goes first on the stem, then this gets locked here, and when that spring's in place, it causes to spring onto this right here. It pushes this thing, whatever it does. So I haven't figured that out yet, but I thought I'd cut this. Okay, I was just saying, I don't know where it left off, but anyway, I'll edit this. Anyway, so yeah, once that's in, you can begin to reassemble. And we have to test this because I don't know if it's fixed anything. We'll find out.